Hello, hi everyone. Today we will learn how to mark the returns in EasyEcom through the step-by-step process. Okay, so for EasyEcom, when you mark the returns, you need to first log in. Okay, so after the login, you just need to click on the left-hand side orders page. Then you have to just click on the returns and replacement page, and then there was an option called returns. Okay, so in EasyEcom here are multiple options to mark the returns. Okay, so in EasyEcom when you mark the returns, you have the leverage to mark the returns on the order level, sub order ID, on the tracking number level, on the reverse AWB number level, and serialized inventory. For the you can mark the returns on serial level. Okay, so after that we will start the mark the returns on the AWB level. So first for that I have select the return AWB number, then I will scan the return AWB number in the system. After that a pop-up window will be opened. Okay, so in the pop-up window you have seen, first select the returns reasons. What are the reasons that why the returns is came from the customer or the courier? So you have to select the reason. There are multiple options to select the reasons as well. Suppose customer refused to take the return, customer courier do not delivered it. So we have multiple options. So here I have select the others. After selecting the reasons, we have to select the inventory statuses. In EasyEcom there are 5 types of inventory statuses. First, QC pass. QC pass is that quantity which is being covered as under the correct inventory, which is saleable inventory. Okay, if I am talking about the second status, that is repair inventory. Okay, repair inventory is that inventory which you can repair it and resale it again. Then the third status in EasyEcom, that is the damage inventory. Suppose a product came, you have sent a good inventory, but the courier partner give you the damage inventory. So that has been marked under the damage inventory. Then comes the fraud. If you have sent the product of your company and you receive the product of another company, that has been a fraud for you. So you can mark that inventory status in the fraud. And the last one is the lost. Suppose you have sent a product in a good condition, but the courier sent you the product that is not the product, empty box. So which has been marked as a lost in EasyEcom. These are that. After that you have to click the mark return, and the process has been done. After that you have done the put away.